Hello students, my name is Siva Mishra and I am today teaching solar system. First of all, from starting, in universe is the biggest entity from where solar system comes. In universe there are many galaxies. One of them is Milky Way, also known as Akash Ganga. Then in one galaxy there are many stars like sun is one of the stars in which we are living. It means that there are many stars in which one of them is our sun. From sun, in sun it comprises of planets, all celestial bodies which are revolving around the sun form a solar system. Let's learn in brief about solar system. Sun and the celestial bodies, sun and all the celestial bodies, like what planets, meteors, asteroids, all make a solar system. This we have given. And what keep them rotating or revolving around each other, like planets, asteroids, meteors, all revolve around sun. What keeps them? Gravitational attraction between them. Gravitational attraction between the sun and these objects keep them revolving. And how many planets now? Total 8 planets. Mercury, smallest, as well as nearest to sun, nearest to the sun. For Mercury it says that it is so you can't see many times, because due to the nearness with the sun, it is so bright and you can't see with naked eyes. Next comes Venus. Venus second after Mercury. Second after Mercury. It is also known as east and west star, because you can see it before sunrise in east, after sunset in west. Next comes our Earth. This is the only planet where life exists as of now. It may be more planets where life exists, but this is the only planet where we know that life still exists. What are the reasons behind that? First, distance. How distance matters? Distance keeps a temperature range which makes life possible. Second, water availability. Third, atmosphere, oxygen. Fourth most important is ozone. Ozone is very important because ozone keeps all the ultraviolet rays away from Earth. Now I hope you can understand. Next, sun. Sun, the nearest star from us. I have told you in galaxies there are many number of stars. Many stars in a galaxy. But Sun is nearest to us. This Sun is nearest to us. Every sun emits huge light and heat. You know why sun emits huge and light? Due to fission of hydrogen. Means sun is the main source of energy for whole the solar system. So, not only for earth, sun is the source of energy for whole ecosystem, solar system. Planets, they do not have their own light. They lights due to the reflection of sun. Light falls on them. You can discriminate between star and planet. How you can identify in sky which is sun, which is star and which is planet? So stars twinkle. Our planets have definite path of rotation. They make elliptical orbits where planets move around the sun, known as orbit. One time period in which they makes one revolution around the sun is known as period of revolution. Planets also rotates around their own axis in time in which they completes one rotation is known as period of rotation. Sun and day and night cause. Next, you can see this solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Total 8 planets. Thank you.